Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's begin our journey with the Handman today, and let tarot speak to us. This is a card asking us to pause, let go, and see from a higher perspective. Let's picture this: a calm young man, hands upside down from a living T-shaped tree. One ankle is gently bound by a golden rope. The other leg falls into a figure 4. His face is calm, almost smiling, and around his head glows a soft golden halo. This is not a card of punishment. It's about surrender, a conscious pause to shift perspective. Sometimes the deepest truths appear when we stop trying to push forward. Let's zoom in. The whole scene is flipped, a visual cue that life might be stalled, but still full of meaning. The message is to change your angle, and your world changes too. That gentle light around his head isn't a decoration, it's illumination. Clarity doesn't come from effort, it arises in stillness. So stop chasing, let the insight arrive. Let's look at the rope. The rope is loose, the tree is alive. This isn't entrapment, it's choice. Even in stillness, growth is happening, maybe underground. His crossed legs form a number 4. This is a symbol of groundedness. Blue tunic for calm reflection. The red leggings for rooted energy. Balance, thought, and action. Rest the body so the soul can speak. In its upright position, this card is the universe flashing a yellow light. So stop, breathe, and observe. A project, a relationship, or a decision, all are in a sacred pause. Don't rush. When you release control, clarity will land. But if reversed, now the energy flips. Maybe you are resisting stillness, pushing for progress, or burning out in self-sacrifice. The lesson is, surrender isn't weakness, it's wisdom. So, realign your priorities. Let go of what's draining you. Make space, and let the answers catch up. So, how do we leave this card? Try this. Intentional pause. Block out 10 minutes of silence. No screen, no plan, and just space to breathe and listen. Perspective flip. Turn the problem upside down. Literally. For example, write it backward or lie down and look at the ceilings. New angles reveal new insights. Tiny surrender. Let go of one small thing today. Let someone else choose. Delay a decision. This gentle release opens doors you didn't see before. Are you ready to trust the pause and flip your world in the best way possible? So in our next video, we'll meet death, a card of endings, but also a powerful transformation. If today's message resonates, drop a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, honor the stillness, surrender with grace, and let tarot speak to you.